Lo fakazi uchazele isigcawu nge-email eyayiqukethe imininingwane yokumiswa kwesinye sezikhulu zase-Eskom.
The email was sent from an email box called Khoza ZW at eskom.co.za.
Usolwazi uLawrence ube esefundela ikhomishana enye yama-emails okwakumele ahlaziwe ukuze kuqinisekiswe ubuqotho bayo.
The company is of the view that you should be suspended on full pay pending the finalization of the investigation. 3, you are temporarily suspended until further notice.
Ube esedalulela ikhomishana ngezinto ezithile ezimqoka ezibhekwayo uma ngabe kucwaningwa ama-emails.
What's specific about the documents that we are dealing with here is they are DocX. If you look at the later part of the name, it's the name of the document, and then we've got the .docx. That qualifies that document as a certain type of Word document.
Usolwazi uLawrence uthi ke kuvelile kwenye ama-emails ukuthi athunyelwa uSusan Daniels.
In this case, the values recorded for the creator was Suzanne Daniels.
Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.